Today we're going to be playing some chess games. So, ooh, let's kill this guy. Let's turn this guy to shreds. I feel brilliant. Well, I mean, the first game was horrendous, but I feel brilliant. I feel good. Alright, kill this guy. Let's see what he does. Is he going to allow the pawns Yanni? Is he going to allow the... Ooh. 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 I mean, he should have stopped me from doing that. I've seen loads of people do that. But, of course, it depends on all what he does. Ooh. Oh my god. Am I going to win by forking his piece? Am I going to win by forking his piece? Unless it goes there, of course. But am I going to win like that? No, he stopped me. He stopped me from doing anything. It's sad. But, I mean, look at me. Look at my space advantage. Superbly happy. So it should be fine. Should be fine. Or maybe not fine. How? I mean, I should have a slight advantage. Shouldn't I know? Ah, he blocks my check. Well, I'm just going to castle that, play properly, not play stupidly. I mean, you can't play stupidly. Unless you lose like 10 billion elo. So I'm just going to play nicely. Perfectly. Oh, I could take the knight, but I'm not going to do that because bishop's better than knights. Even though it does stop him, even though it does make his look weird, but who knows. You might do something awkward. Like, oh, God. Oh, yeah, okay. I mean, this is weird. I'm used to playing 1000s when I used to be 800 2 days ago, and I beat this were 1300. They were jeez, that's like my. I used to think 1000 are best. To get to 1000, you need to be brilliant. Then I realised they're all rubbish. We all are. But unless you're a master, or I am, or a national master, or a candidate master, then you're rubbish. Unless you're that. But other than that, no. My God. You can compete in media articles as long as you know what you're doing. I'm just gonna take that. Just gonna take that. I'm just gonna take that. Just trade up some pieces. I'm gonna try and simplify things down. Make sure I don't hang anything. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's line up the rooks, move the knight, get the pawn, all the good stuff. All the goody good stuff. Don't think there's much you can do. He could try and stop me from taking the pawn. Pretty. Who knows? I mean, I'm just gonna play normally. That's how you win. Calmly play, and you win. Play panicky, you lose. Defend the pawn as usual. You might try and line up there. But if you just play calmly, you're victorious. There's nowhere for you to be in. There's nowhere for you to be in. I mean, okay. I just go there, take that pawn, take the rook with my rook, up a pawn, and happy as Larry. Unless he defends it properly. Ooh, that's a new way to defend it, but I don't think he can do much. I'm just gonna budge him up. Ooh. Ooh, no. Fork. Fork, fork. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, should be fine. Should be fine. Should be fine. If I lose this one, it's not good. Oh, brilliant. No, I'm dead. I'm dead. Once again, my win streak can never stay. Ugh, this is brilliant. And what? Yeah, I'm just resigning. I'm dead. I'm finished. I'm dead in this game.